Hi, and welcome to BlinkBid. Email your documents directly inside BlinkBid and attach a digital signature request for approval. So BlinkBid has a feature enabling you to email documents with a digital signature request. Under the hamburger menu, while inside a job, choose Email Estimate. You'll be prompted to choose your job preferences just like you do when you print a document. There, you'll have the option to request a digital signature or use the original signature lines feature. We always recommend looking at the preview of the document before clicking the Continue button. Input the email of the recipient of the digital signature request. You have the option of choosing from your address book, or you can enter any valid email on the fly. You can also CC another recipient, add a subject line, and an optional message to include in your email. A signature request can only go to one email at a time. If you send a request while a previous one is pending, the new one will cancel the previous one. After you press the orange Send button, you're going to get an email notifying you the request has been sent. There is a history which tracks the signature request activity of the document. It will remain pending until the document has been digitally signed and approved. Under your My Jobs list, you can sort the jobs with the digital signature request, which will give you information about the date sent and the status of the request. The recipient of the job will receive an email with an attachment of the job as well as a button to accept and sign the document electronically. Upon clicking Accept, a tab will open with the document approval. You must enter your first and last name, agree to the terms, and press Accept. Once the document has been accepted, both parties will get an email notifying that the document has been accepted. In the Digital Signature Request tab under My Jobs, the specific job will read as accepted under the status category.